Welcome to JH. If you encounter a PayPal error stating the recipient cannot accept payments, several troubleshooting steps can help resolve the situation. First, ensure your PayPal account is completely verified by confirming your email, linking a bank account, and finishing any necessary verification tasks. You should also check the Resolution Center for any account limitations or restrictions that need addressing. Verify that all linked payment methods, such as cards or bank accounts, are active, not expired, and entered correctly. Additionally, make sure the sender is using a currency that your account is configured to accept. You can adjust these preferences in your settings. If the sender is using a web browser, they should clear their cache and cookies or try a different browser or device to rule out local technical issues. For those using mobile devices, ensure the PayPal app is updated to the most recent version, as outdated software often causes errors. Sometimes, PayPal experiences temporary service interruptions, so waiting 24 to 48 hours before retrying may solve the problem. If these steps fail, contact PayPal support directly through their messaging system or by phone to investigate why the account cannot receive funds. Contact details are located at the bottom of the PayPal website under the Contact Us section.